Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Hector with Meistergram. In this video I'm going to show you how to correct a needle error that might come up on your machine from time to time if your needle case is not positioned correctly. If you're trying to operate your machine, such as pressing start, you'll notice that you'll come up with an error that says needle position is abnormal. This means that the needle case is not positioned correctly. In order to correct this, we'll first clear our message. We'll next locate the needle position indicator, which is right over here. We notice that we have a needle, but there's nothing next to it. In order to correct this, we'll locate our color change knob. This is the knob located behind the needle case on the motor that changes the position of the needle. In order to make the correction, simply rotate the knob until you locate a needle on the representation on the screen. For this example, we've moved the machine over and located needle number 2, as you can see on the screen. If you're making this correction on your own machine, you need to locate any of the needles that are located on your machine. Some machines are 12 needles, others are 15. So as long as you're on an actual needle position, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching our video. Hope it was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications, and comment below if you like what you see. Till next time, see ya.